Hi, my name is Sam Rao. Welcome to this sequence where I'm going to introduce you to my school, Yoga Teacher Training School. The question to you is, what are you going to do when you're done with work or when work is done with you? You have, on average, 40 years of life after you retire, and maybe more if the company decides they don't need you anymore. What are you going to do? My suggestion is to become a yoga teacher. Yoga is the way forward in our country, in all the countries, not to rely on somebody else to look after my health. Become a yoga teacher, fulfill a purpose of delivering a service in your community. Open up as a yoga teacher, you'll have classes, people will come to the classes, you will take them through the yoga postures and deliver them remedial yoga. My school offers 2 levels of teacher training. Level 1, which is 250 hours of training, it can take 10 to 18 months to finish that 10 weekends worth of training. And you become a yoga teacher, you can open classes, you can charge for your classes. The second part is for those teachers who are already teaching. So we add another 300 hours of training, which we call SYT, Senior Yoga Teacher. A bit more intensive, a bit more delving into the body and understanding the remedial process when you do a yoga posture. So if you liked that piece, visit my website, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there are plenty more of these kind of videos that you could benefit from.